Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for Grubhub as a driver. To get started, go ahead and search for driver.grubhub.com, and in here you'll be able to find this ready to apply at the top right of your screen. This will allow you to get redirected into the application section for Grubhub drivers on the Grubhub website. So in here you need to select the state where you're currently residing and applying for a Grubhub driver position along with the city. After that, you'll need to enter your first name, last name, phone number, email, and check the checkbox to proceed on applying for this position on Grubhub. And once you enter that information, you'll be able to proceed with the next step wherein you'll need to scan this QR code into your mobile device to be able to proceed on your application for the position on your device. You need to actually install the Grubhub app for drivers, and in there you'll need to submit all of the required documents to be able to get in as a Grubhub driver, and that is how you can basically sign up for Grubhub as a driver. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.